Hey there, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to disable developer options on the Samsung Galaxy A17 5G quickly and easily. Open the settings menu. The settings menu is where you can control most of your phone's features, including connections, privacy, security, display settings, and installed apps. Next, scroll down through the list until you find developer options. Once you see it, tap on it to open the developer options page. This section contains advanced settings that are mainly designed for developers and people who want to test or customize their device. Now, tap the switch top menu. Once you turn it off, all developer features will be disabled on your phone. In some Samsung devices, turning this off will also hide developer options from the settings menu. If this guide helped you, drop a like, share this video with someone who might need it, and subscribe to the channel for more quick and easy tech tutorials every day.